Since the Roof Max product has been installed, we just had Hurricane Ian here, and we didn't even lose one shingle. And this roof is 20 years old. Mike, when I bought this house in 2019, my home inspector, he goes, James, this roof is shot. It's 20 years old. It's dry. It's brittle. He recommended I replace the roof. But there was no way I was going to replace a roof that's not leaking. It just didn't make sense to me. Right. And that's where I found Roof Max online. What happens, during a hurricane, when the wind, hits the roof, and it's brittle, it's going to fly off. But if it's moist, it's going to stay on the roof.
Our product is falling down into the shingle, and it's also making its way to the sealant strips that actually glue the roof together. Correct. And reactivating those. Correct. And helping to strengthen that roof. It's a maintenance product. It's just to make that roof flexible. If a roof is flexible like it is when it originally comes out of the package, it has a better chance of standing up to a hurricane or hail. And here we are 4 years later, made it through Hurricane Ian.
Not one shingle blew off.
Yeah.
So that's great. I'm really happy.